first we will create a working environment for the simulations in the PPR tree. First, process, resource and product. So we will insert our resources from this toolbar, that is in activity management. This is for the insert product, this is for a insert resource. So first we will be insert resource. Okay, this is our data we will be use. So first I am calling a workbench, floor. Okay, this is floor. We can shift by this snap command, select from the tree node which location you want to place. You can place from by this snap. Okay, now again I will right click on this snap and uncheck the snap automatically to selected object, and then after I leave it the right corner. Okay, now again I will insert a resource, workbench. Open. Okay, next again workbench, just select. Okay, and again some tools, screwdrivers, bolt drivers. Okay, so now we will position all the resource. First we will be position to workbench. Just 1 minute. For to positioning, first we check the snap automatically to select object, and then we select workbench. You can directly select from the objects, but if it's a single part then it's okay, you can move. If it's a assembly, then if you select by the parts, then its single parts will be moved. So I will suggest you always select from the tree. Okay. Okay. This is view toolbar. If you want to see of the front view, then we will be use from here. This is a front view. Sorry, it's a miss. You can change from here named views, that it's showing currently front view this, but we want to change into top view. Then we go in property and we will change from here. Okay, now this is a front view. Okay, okay. So first we see the view toolbar. This is a fly command. When we are working any huge data with the factory, then it will be help to walk through video for creation. Just click fly view and your data will be in perspective view mode. Just press key 2 second and then one times press key 3 and just you can move fly view. Okay, for unselect, click again. And second is fit all in. If your data is anywhere and you want to on the same workspace, then click fit all in and data will be incoming from side. Okay, this is a pan command. You can easily pan, and this is 3D rotate. Just click and press key 1 and you easily can rotate your data. And again this is zoom in. If you want to zoom, then you can use this toolbar. And for zoom out, this is a normal to surface. If you want to look any from the normal to surface, just click here and then any surface you can see normal to surface view. From here to this. This is perspective view. If you want to change in parallel, just go view, render style and parallel view. This is parallel view. Okay. This is multi-section view. This you can see, this is isometric, this is top view, that is left view, this is right view. You can work in different kind of view in a same time. Okay. So now again we are positioning our resource for the process validation. Now I am selecting tools and position on the workbench. Okay, that is our resource library. Okay, now I am calling a chair from resource. Okay, this is also resource. We will be positioned to chair. We can save easily by the Control S, yeah, otherwise from this command, save command. This is process 1. We save easily. Now we call product. Insert product, and this is our 3.5 HP engine is our product. Just I unchecked automatically select object and drag to right corner. This is our simulation environment is created. So now we are switching to next topic is create the process plan.